Would you like to know where there can be potentially 50,000 jobs coming to Phoenix, Arizona, and where? And could this create housing demand in that area? Hi, my name is Nicole Black, your Arizona Realtor, and I'm going to show you where and what's going on. So, last week I released this video about GPEC. That's the Greater Phoenix Economic Council. And in this video, I showed you where on that website you can find out where new business is coming to Arizona, where it is, how many jobs it will create, phase one, and all this other different interesting information. If you'd like to know where that is, check out this video right here. Click on that thumbnail and it will give you more details. But nonetheless, I digress. So, the Phoenix Business Journal came out with an article about the next Silicon Valley technological park coming to Phoenix, Arizona. Yes. So, where can this park be? Where can you find it? And what's some information about it? Let's take a look. Okay, so here's the Phoenix Business Journal article. It's the bidding expected to start at $56.28 million for land surrounding the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company in Phoenix. So they are building, and for good reasons too, which we'll go into, this technological park in Phoenix, Arizona, which is going to create so many jobs. A New York developer is eyeing more than 2,300 acres surrounding this $4 billion Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company for this massive technological park in Phoenix, Arizona. As you can see right here, this is where it's going to be located. So in Arizona, if you're looking at the center of it in Phoenix, this is going to be due north and then slightly west. So you would take the 17 north up to around the 303, and on that corner, the northwest corner, that is where the park is going to be. So what they're predicting is that its full build out, it could create up to 50,000 jobs. Yes, I know that is amazing for this area in the valley. Now, a major reason why they want to do this and bring over all this technology to the United States was actually really influenced by COVID-19. Do you remember during that time we had all the supply chain issues and the shortages? That was a huge red flag of how dependent we are on global economy and partners out there, that we need to bring more back to the United States and have stuff manufactured here. So that was a big push for why this technological park is actually being developed. Another great thing about this park area is they're not going to try to just make it about the business and commercial aspect of it. They actually want to make it where there's restaurants and shopping and housing, and there's walkability to places, and it creates a very lovely environment for people not only to work, but to want to live. So, though this area is zoned to be a commercial technological park, they also have it zoned again, like I said, for housing and restaurants and other things, and to create like a community around the area. But the area is not developed completely yet at this time to do that. This is going to take many, many years. So, they're already working, as you can see, with the Arizona State Land Department since 2019 to address these long term planning and zoning, as well as, and if you watched my video, the water resource for this area. Now, if you're curious about the water resources in Arizona, definitely check out this video right here, because this one is going to give you all the information, not only how Arizona gets its water, how it's managed, but then other resources where you can stay on it for yourself personally and know what's going on. And that's really important when you're buying in Arizona. In addition to that area by the 303 and the 17, the technological park, already dozens of semiconductor suppliers have already leased facilities, made plans for new buildings in Deer Valley and across from the Metro Phoenix, bringing more jobs to the overall region. Recently, Tempe-based Amcor Technology said it would build a $2 billion packaging and testing facility in Peoria near the TSMC. So let's take a look at this area and get a little bit more specific. And by the way, if you are liking this kind of information, you want more of it in the future, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because this is what we do. We do market updates, we give you area updates, map tours, home tours, all about Arizona. So we're looking here right now, and right here in, I'm gonna move my cursor so you can see it, 85083. So I'm going to put my cursor back on it. That's where the semiconductor plant is, and the technology park is going to be developed. You can see that right now, at the timing of this video, the average medium rent for a home is $2,931. And if you go over to Peoria, where they're talking about as well developing, 85383, the average home to rent is 2,947. So there's some potential in this area, depending, of course, on the cost of the homes at the time and what rents do look at this time that you're looking to maybe either buy or invest in Arizona, to take a deeper look at. So who knows? It looks like it's got a little potential right now, but of course, these are just estimates at this time, and these videos are only here to inspire you to start conversations. They are not exact because we don't know what actually each situation is. So if you have questions, please reach out to us, because that's what we're here for, is then to dig in the weeds, get specific information for you. But this is just to start the conversation and educate you on the path for your real estate journey. Again, if you have any questions, please always feel free to reach out and ask. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. Love to hear your thoughts about this. And never forget, we are always here for you.